Hello Sweat Hearts, welcome to the tutorial for Lil Boo Thang by Paul Russell. Let's get right into it. We're going to start with little slides, side to side. We're going to step right and left. That's easy. We're going to push the arms opposite and opposite. And we're going to take the right foot forward, little easy, and left foot easy. So that's the first 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 4 punches, right, left, and you guessed it, we can jump 4, 4. So we do 1, 2, 3, right foot, 5, 6, 7, again, 1, 2, start right punch, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see that facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, repeat. 1, 2, 4 punches, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up, we have a little rock shuffle. Right, left, double right. And those little arms are a little turn there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left foot forward, right arm rolls down, rolls back. The little slide moment. We go back, left, right, circle double, left. This time right foot forward, roll down, left arm down and up. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. We just did the second set. Pop, pop, 4 punches. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Continuing on with the verse, we step right foot, double right, double left, walk it back right, right, left, right. Together, double right, double left, right, left, right. Together. Arms are going to be out. Swimming with the arms, yeah? So kind of like your arms outside of a window of a car, and you're just riding the wave. So we start with the right foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We step back. Let's just do the arms first. Cross, shoulders, throw up, drop down. Pa, pa, ta, ta. We're gonna walk back with that one. Right, left, right, together. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. We sit back, left, double, wind it down, right foot. We swing it down, down, back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. All right. Then we're gonna go over to the right. We're just gonna go step, tap, bring up that left leg, booty pops, step, tap. And then repeat, step, tap, booty up, and here. Wherever we're leaning, we're gonna pump that arm. So we lean to the right, we can pump the right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little confusing with the terms I'm mirroring you, but when you see it at the front, it'll make more sense. So we just came back. Second set of this. 5, 6, pump it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, left booty, tap. Again, pump right, pump left, left booty, pop, tap, tap. All right, last part of the verse. We go double right, double left. Then we take it around, right circle. Then we go double left, double right, other way, pop, 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 pop. The arms are up and up. And we take it around, pop, left arm up. Then we go to the left, up and up. This time, right arm around, ta, ta, ta. To the front. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, round 5, 6, 7, 8. Double left, double right, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the very last part, easy breezy, we just lean back on the right. Right foot, left foot front, right foot, left together, left foot back, front, back, front together. And arms are out and up. Show your 10.1, switch to the back, to the front. You're a 10 baby girl, but on the 1. That's words. The words are to the back, to the front, so you know where to go. To the back on the right, to the front on the left. You're a 10 on the right, on the 1, switch feet, back on the left, front on the right. You're a 10 on the 1, guess what? From the top, yeah? Here we go. We just did second side, well, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back on the right, to the back, to the front. You're a 10, baby girl on the 1, switch feet, left back, to the front. You're a 10 on the 1. Boo Thang, ta-ta, and front, ta-ta, ta-ta, punch it, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember those arms step back and front. We go back, front, 10, 1, back, front, 10, and 1, and chorus. It repeats again from the beginning, chorus into the verse with these ones, pa, 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 and then there's a little bridge. We're gonna step double right, double left, 4 steps forward, back double right, double left, 4 steps back. Easy, easy. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, right foot back, hold 2, left, hold 2, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course, there's arms. We're just gonna pump the arms up, the top of the hand facing up, and bring them up here. We go down, low, low, and low. As we walk up, we bring them higher, 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 higher. Hold it for 2 and 2. Bring it lower, lower, lower again. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, ta, 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 double right, double left, forward, back, bring the arms lower, ta, 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 ta. We're gonna end with a little clap for 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. We catch this, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we rock it one more time. So, that little bridge, right foot, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, bring it up, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, bring it down, 6, 7, 8, low and low, bring it up, ta, 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 high and high, bring it low. We have 6 classes in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, punch, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, rock, wind down left foot, bring it back, rock, rock, wind down right foot, and that's the end. You can do a little jump at the end if you're feeling up for it. You're feeling up for it. We'll do a little jump at the end. That's it. Let's dance it.